We're gonna do a quick little behind the scenes. I'm gonna use my 50mm 1.4 lens. This is a great lens. It's around $300. We got this beautiful model. I found these beautiful flowers. Check this out, you guys. So we're gonna get some nice portraits here. I'm gonna go 1.4 aperture. Since we are in the sun came down, we're in low light. So with this lens, because you guys, it's not as sharp, you can go lower on the aperture with this lens when it's starting to, the light is down and dim. That way there's no weird like haze and lines and things like that. So yeah, we're gonna do 1.4. We're gonna go in, like, just get a lot of that bokeh. Bring your hands, maybe like lean in closer to the face. Yes, love these. Beautiful, natural. Come in really close here. Get like bring the hands close up because I'm getting like going in real tight. Beautiful. Okay, let's maybe see if we can sit from the side, and that way you can kind of, yes, beautiful. These are so good. Stunning. Yeah, you guys will be amazed what this lens can do. It's such a good lens. It's sharp. The focus is fast. I don't know, maybe from the back, like you facing that direction. Or even if you were like a little bit on your knees, yeah. And then the back of your dress is really pretty too, so. I can't believe this is your first time modeling.
Yeah.
You're doing so, like you like to take probably on your phone, yeah. Get your whole body here. I feel like how you were before was better. Like slightly sitting up, yes. Beautiful, coming in a little closer. Maybe bring the hand up to the face again, like that, yep. What about this hand that's closer to me? Bring that closer to the face. Yes, let's do that one. Now bring both hands down, kind of rest them on your knees. Yeah. And then I think we'll be done. Tilt the head a little bit forward, yes. Cute. Awesome. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more.